Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to import Excel or CSV in the database using import export wizard. Let's suppose you have a Excel file here. So you got all the columns. I have a database pizza sales and I've got all this record in my Excel file, which you can see here, and it has got around 48,621 records, so it's not possible to type each record. So for that we will use import export wizard. So there are two ways to do that. So first you can do it, first you can do it from SQL server import and export data, and the another one is by right clicking on the database. Then you have to go in the task, and as we are importing data, so you have to click on the import data, click next and specify the source. So as we're gonna use the Excel file, so just choose Excel, then give the file path. So this file I have in my download folder. Here I will click open. Then you just don't have to do anything here. Click next, and you have to choose the Microsoft OLEDB provider for SQL Server. And here just make sure you have created the right database. So we want to import in the pizza sales. Choose pizza sales, click next, and then choose the first option. Then click next and click next again, and just click finish. It will take few seconds. So as you can see here, it's uploading the records. So yeah, there is 48,620 records, as we have seen previously in our Excel file, has been uploaded successfully. Just click close and press refresh. Just click on the pizza sales, click on the tables, click on the tables, and as you can see here, we have got the table here as a pizza sales. Just select top 1000 rows. So guys, you can see all the records are here. Yep. In my upcoming videos, I will come up with the most amazing content. So please stay tuned, and thanks for watching my video.